Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're making a little crochet strawberry that is part of a fruit collection for a stacking game. It's super cute and fun to work up, and I'm going to show you how to make it. This is an intermediate level pattern designed for crocheters who enjoy working with smaller hooks, fine yarn, and shaping techniques. You'll be switching between colors to create the leaves, embroidering stitches for the seeds, and carefully shaping the top so it sits flat. For this crochet strawberry, I'm using fine weight category 2 cotton yarn in red and dark green, a small amount of super fine weight mercerized cotton in a cream colored shade. Round 1. Make 9 single crochet in a magic ring with the dark green yarn. We're starting with green because the strawberry leaves are worked directly into the strawberry, so there's no sewing after. Plus, it helps to keep the top flat. Round 2. Increase in each stitch around for a total of 18 stitches. If you're new to working in the round, do not join or turn at the end of the round. Work in continuous rounds. Round 3. With green, single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Before completing the second stitch, switch to the red yarn and complete the stitch. With red, increase in the next stitch. Again, before completing the second stitch, switch back to green. When you're switching colors, make sure you're holding your yarn just snug enough so the stitches stay even and neat, so don't pull too tight. And make sure you carry the yarn you're not using along the back so you can easily switch back and forth between colors. So continue to work in green for 2 stitches and red for 1 increase, and repeat that around for a total of 24 stitches at the end of the round. Round 4. Starting with red, single crochet in the next stitch. Switch to green and single crochet in the next stitch. Then switch back to red and single crochet in the next stitch. Increase in the next stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. Then switch back to green, and I'm going to repeat that. Work 1 single crochet in green, switch to red and work 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then an increase, and then another stitch. And I'm just going to repeat that around for a total of 30 stitches. If this feels a little fiddly at first, don't worry. Take it slow, pause the video if needed, and soon you'll get into the rhythm of it. Cut the green yarn only, and I like to tie the yarn ends together for extra security. Now, working with the red yarn only, I'm going to single crochet in each stitch around for rounds 5 to 8. So I'm going to work on that and see you back here for round 9. Now we're going to start adding some shape. Round 9, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, decrease, or in other words, single crochet 2 together, then single crochet in the next 8 stitches. Decrease, then single crochet in the next 8 stitches. Decrease, then single crochet in the next 6 stitches for a total of 27 stitches. Round 10. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches and decrease. Single crochet in the next 7 stitches, then decrease. Single crochet in the next 7 stitches and decrease. Single crochet in the next 5 stitches for a total of 24 stitches. and round 11, single crochet in each stitch around. Round 12, single crochet in the next 2 stitches and decrease, and I'm going to repeat that around until I have a total of 18 stitches. Round 13, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then decrease. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches and decrease. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches and decrease. Then single crochet in the next 2 stitches for a total of 15 stitches. I'm going to stop here and add the strawberry seeds because it will be so much easier to do this before adding the stuffing. For the seeds, I'm using the super fine weight off-white yarn and a blunt embroidery needle. I'm using the crochet stitches as a guide by working in and out of the top sides and the bottom of a stitch to create little V shapes. You can use any stitch you want, make X's, French knots if you know how to. Personally, I find French knots extremely difficult, so if you have tips, please feel free to leave them in the comments. There's also no particular order or number of seeds, just stitch them on until you're happy with the look. Then tie a knot and weave in the ends. Now I'm going to lightly add stuffing as I go, making sure to add just the right amount. Too much stuffing and the shape will bulge and won't sit flat, but too little and it won't hold up for the stacking game. Round 14, single crochet in the next 2 stitches and decrease. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches and decrease. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches and decrease. Single crochet in the next stitch for a total of 12 stitches. Round 15. Decrease 6 times for a total of 6 stitches. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail, and use the embroidery needle to sew the opening. Then with the remaining yarn, thread it through the bottom and up toward the center top. Thread the yarn through and underneath the stitch so it's not visible, but basically you're creating an anchor at the top. Then feed the needle back down toward the bottom tip. Pull gently until the top flattens, but be careful not to pull too hard because then the bottom will cave in too. This part might feel a little tricky at first, especially the threading through the stuffing, but trust me, it's all worth it when you see how cute it turns out. And there you have it, one adorable strawberry ready to go. Don't forget to check the blog for the full written pattern and other fun fruit patterns that will be coming soon. Thanks so much for crocheting with me, and I'll see you in the next one.